Now this is just a data center environment. You can also look at the larger remote sites. If you look at the larger remote sites, for those who have worked with PureDisk before, we actually allow you to, of course, use our replication. PureDisk has built-in replication that is optimized. So what that means is that if you have a large remote site, you can actually say, you know what, I'm going to install a PureDisk server in my large remote site, do my backups locally first, and so I have, optimization in the LAN, and I'll then replicate this data to my PureDisk server in the data center. And this replication is optimized because we will only replicate the unique data segments. So you have a lot of optimization there as well. Plus you have an extra version on site, locally available for you to restore from. And that will allow you then to not only restore locally, you can replicate it to the data center, and also this replica can be exported to tape in the exact same way. You can, 7 years from now, you can restore from it. You can restore it directly to any NetBackup client, to any client in your data center or in your remote site. And this will allow you then to easily archive data from disk to tape, so you have an easy solution to move data from disk to tape, basically. And all this export functionality is done automatically for you, so you don't need to install any staging device. You don't need to create extra, install extra agents. It's very, very good, very well integrated, and it works with NetBackup 6.0 Maintenance Spec 5. So PureDisk works together with NetBackup 6.0, and you can easily export the data. So the last thing I want to discuss here is that not only have we, worked very strongly on our integration between PureDisk and NetBackup, we also have improved our performance. And that's what I wanted to add as a fourth point, is that we have added a lot of effort into improving the backup speed, restore speed, and now also the export speed, which will allow you to move that data much quicker from disk to any tape environment you would like to. So let me add that. So this fourth point, we have improved our performance. And you can do that easily by adding extra PureDisk engines, as we call it, because a PureDisk engine is basically the component that reconstitutes these files. So after this, I hope that I gave you a little bit more information on how the NetBackup PureDisk integration works, and what the improvements are, and how we differentiate ourselves from other competitors. Thanks for joining me today with the NetBackup PureDisk session, and I hope that I'll see you back soon in one of our new sessions.